Okay, so let's talk about the USDJPY. I somewhat agree with the economists at BNP Paribas Research. At some point, the U.S. Fed's Jerome Powell are going to at least pause rate increases and eventually start lowering them if we do go into recession. And the Japanese yen is seen as a risk on asset, which means that it does appreciate in times of crises. So let's just go to we'll start with the monthly chart. So this was a monthly zone in which price reacted. So we had monthly buyers at 128. And potentially price can get up to 140. Potentially. I'm just basing it off of this wick to the left. But let's go down to the weekly chart. Alright, so I'm going to mark this area for now. I think this is going to at least, if price can continue to rise higher, I think this level at 137.6 is going to cause at least price to pull back. I had mentioned the 140 level, and I kind of like the structure a bit better than the structure at 137. So we're going to go down to the daily chart. I was just looking at this level at 122.5, but we won't worry about it now because right now the level at 128 is serving as a major support area. Okay, let's go down to the daily chart. Let's go to the weekly again. I want to see that's 122. 122. That'll be right here. Just looking at this structure here at 124. Okay. I like that area there too. We did get a reaction, right? Alright, so on the daily chart, we have a double bottom. We have a reversal pattern, W. Alright, let's look at the 137 level. So right now there's nothing stopping price from getting back to 137. Right, this is all green space. Because of this long extended range red candle, there are no sellers between 135 and 137. the next structure I believe I was looking at was let's go to the monthly, the 140 level. That's up here. Don't really love the structure. So the question is, can you play a pullback to move higher? Well, if the dollar's going to strengthen in the short term, yes, you play the pullback to move higher. Let's see. Short term target. At 137. And I'm going to remove the dollars sign. Because this chart is not the Dixie. Okay, so let's see if we can find an entry. Alright. Don't love it. Anything lower? We'll see how this plays out. I'm going to move it down a little bit. Capture that round hole number. Entry 133. I'm not in love with the area, so you want to look for a reversal pattern on a lower time frame if price was to pull back to this area to take it up to short-term target at 137. Until next time.